Welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss the generally accepted accounting principles and try to understand the GAAP. The GAAP refers to the standard framework of guidelines for financial accounting used in any given jurisdiction, and they are also known as accounting standards or standard accounting practice. They include the standards, conventions, and rules that accountants follow in recording and summarizing and preparation of financial statements. In essence, the generally accepted accounting principles were developed to give a consistent framework for companies to use in structuring their financial statements. Many countries use or are converging on an internationally developed reporting standards known as International Financial Reporting Structure.